And then I would imagine all the sales are cash.
That's what I'm thinking.
T-shirts 25,
Long sleeve are
beanies 20, bandana neck warmer.
beanies, but they're not leather, I don't think. Start 23. I like the pink.
Yeah, I like that. What do you think? You would like the pink.
Huh?
You would like the pink.
Yeah.
He might be able to process cards. I don't know. There's an ATM inside.
Is there?
Yeah. Should we go grab some money?
Let me ask them if they take this card here. We might have a float.
Yeah, you can ask him. I got a feeling he's going to say no. Ooh. Check that out. Camo.
So I said beanies. And Santa, you want?
Yeah.
Do you take cards or just cash?
Just cash, Santa. We don't have good enough service.
Yeah. Let's I got some cash on me.
What's that?
I got some cash on me. I'm just gonna go draw 100.